What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Hey, I just bought this. It's an Apple Watch case and band, and I've got my 42 millimeter Apple Watch right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the band, kind of the standard Nike band that it comes with. Keep in mind that next month a new Apple Watch comes out, I believe, what they'll call the Series 4, but the bands are still compatible, as I understand the almost confirmed rumors. So, even if you get this for your current Series 3 watch like mine, the band should keep working, although the case might need to be replaced. But here's the cover, and I thought I'd take a look at this first. This is pretty cool. It's flexible, but it's not super soft. I mean, I guess it feels a little bit like a I don't know, a stiff TPU, kind of. It's kind of weird. It's like a little bit of a hybrid between a rubber and a plastic. So, pretty cool. On the outside here, it looks just like my Space Gray. It's got that bead blasted matte black finish, but on the inside, it's very shiny. You're not going to see that. I do like it has the molded in button right there, and what's interesting about that is it's probably going to help with waterproofing, I think. So I'm just going to go ahead and slap this in here, see if we can get that in. Yeah, it's got to be pretty soft to kind of get around the Apple Watch itself. Keep in mind, I wear my Apple Watch upside down or backwards, depending on kind of the nomenclature you like. But there we go. So we've got it on. You can see plenty of opening there to get my band back in. Got cutouts here for the speakers and the microphone. Band there. You've got cutouts to get to the band releases. I've still got nice access to, oh, look at that, brightness or not, to the crown here, and then the button seems to work just fine. Okay, cool. So let's take a look at the band itself. And what we have here is a Milanese style mesh metal band, and let's see, man. Okay, so it's going to be a lot like the Apple Watch. There's a pretty strong magnet on here, which means it's going to be infinitely adjustable. And if you look at this, and you'll be familiar with these mesh metal kind of chainmail type watch bands from a lot of the other watches that I've reviewed, but that is pretty nice. We have anodized black hardware, and because I wear mine upside down, I think, oh my gosh, I think I want to do it this way. Hopefully I'm doing this the right way. There we go, so that's in. And put the top one in. Good, all locked in there. And then I think that we'll put the adjustment on the bottom side. Ooh, this magnet is strong. So you just open it all the way up, throw it on, lift up this magnetic tab here, strong magnet, and tighten it to your liking, and then just drop that down, and it's going to hold it in place. Man, look at that. Look at that. Woo! It's good looking, man. Feels great. Doesn't really add extra weight. This really looks like a factory finish. I mean, at a glance, you wouldn't even notice it, that it's actually not the standard black anodized aluminum. That's great looking. And it's going to give you some protection. Actually adds a little bulk to it, so I don't know if you normally wear a big sports watch, you actually might want a little bit more bulk. 42 millimeters isn't that large of a watch, and so that's really nice. But man, this Milanese sounds great. Looks great, feels great, and the nice thing about it is because it's infinitely adjustable here, I could wear it a little looser. If you're really hot or sweaty or sticky, you could loosen it up. If you're doing something where you really need to have a lot of precision, you could tighten it down and put it there. I'll tell you, that magnet is really, really strong. So that looks great to me, man. Wow. I mean, even if you didn't need this case, what a great way to get the Milanese band without paying, kind of Apple Watch retail prices. So check it out. I'll put a link to this kit online. I'm really happy with it. I got this one on Amazon. Pretty awesome. Link in the description. Peter von Panda out.